Veronica says, for anyone here that went through a spiritual emergency, did it eventually stabilize for you? Yeah, I've encountered many people that have had a significant spiritual emergency. And so spiritual emergency is a word that, we may use to describe a very challenging spiritual awakening process. It's a really nice word because if it's not too challenging, we can call it spiritual emergence. If it gets really challenging, we change that E to a Y, and now it's an emergency, right? So something is emerging. Um, did it eventually stabilize for you? Yeah, I had a spiritual emergency. A couple of them. One was in 2012, and over time, eventually through the flow, through just following some sort of higher guidance and synchronicity, I was able to find my way to the right teachings and context and language and practices that helped me to find clarity and stability. Once again, after having a really significant energetic emergence, a spiritual emergence, I thought like I would never return to normal. Again, it was like basically like a bad trip that had nothing to do with drugs, and I thought, wow, this is not good. But eventually things stabilized, and then again in 2015, I could say that my Kundalini rising, where the energy exploded up the Sushumna Nadi in my body, that main channel that we've been speaking about today. It brought all sorts of really intense purging and all sorts of really difficult stuff. So I would say that was an emergency situation as well, a spiritual emergency. Over time, though, once again, through following the flow, the synchronicity, surrendering, trusting in a higher power, doing the basics, taking care of myself, studying what felt I was called to study and look into, I eventually found stability where I was able to, so I describe stability as being able to return back into your worldly life without this spiritual awakening process becoming too distracting or debilitating. So yeah, there's definitely the potential to return back into the world. I would argue that's the whole point of this whole idea of a spiritual emergence is to eventually have you return back into the world in a stable way where you can now give your gifts and offer and support after having had such a profound awakening experience. Yeah.